Hello everyone, this is in-class programming exercise 2 for the Python/deep learning course. The first program in this is to convert the weights of students to kilograms. So first I have created a weight array, then I have created another weight underscore kg array where the weights of this converted weight of the students is stored into the weight underscore kg array. Then I have declared a int variable n where it takes the input from the user for the total number of students. Then I created a for loop for which the I is in the range of n. Then I have taken the input of individual input weight of the individual students through this variable a. Then I appended a to the array weight for each iteration. The weight is added to this. The weight of the student is individual students added to the array of the weight. Then I have converted this weight into kgs and appended this weight to array weight underscore kg. Then I have displayed both the arrays. Now we will see the output for this. As you can see, the first we have to enter the total number of students. Let's say it as 5. Then we have to enter the individual weight of the students in lbs. As you can see, the total number of students are 5, which is stored in which the weight of the students are stored in the array weight, which is 102, 120, 130, 125 and 114. Now we convert these weights into kgs and store it in another array weight underscore kg. As you can see, the code is successfully completed, and here's the output. The second exercise is to display the strings alternatively in a sentence. So first we have to take a variable which takes the input from the user. Then we calculate the length of this sentence and give it to another variable c. So and then we have created a function for function to display the strings alternatively in a sentence. I created a function named string underscore alternative, where it then inside the function I have displayed the strings in each sentence. As you can see, this indexing behaves that starts from 0 until end, and this 2 represents that it will display alternatively by removing all the other strings, and it will display only the strings alternatively. And I have called the function through the main function here. Now we will run this code. You can enter any sentence here. Let's say this should be hello world. As you can see, the alternative it displays strings in the sentence alternatively. Even you can try for any number of sentence. As you can see, it displays the strings alternatively for any number of sentences. We can try multiple sentences in here too. And the third exercise is to count the words in a text file and specify count to each string. So first I have created a variable where it takes the text file from this, from your computer or anywhere. So this this open method takes the URL of the text file. Then this R represents that it only reads. You can use even write. If you want to write into the file, you can use W here. So we are only reading the file, so I have used R. Then this read line method reads the text in the document line by line. So for first line, while B, this displays that for each line the count is starts from 1. So count starts from, then I have created for loop where for C in B dot split, this defines that for every string, if you encounter a white space, then until that string, it prints the string and gives the count to it, and the count is incremented. So first, for example, if there is a string like this, this is it. The first for the string until the white space, this it will print this, then it will give count as 1, then the count will be increment by 1, so it will be true, then it will go back to the next word, then it goes on until the line is fully completed, then it will comes out of the for loop, then it will go this will read the next line and it will send back to the while loop, then the count starts again from the 1. So in this way we will assign count to each word in a string or in a text, and this closes the file which you have open. I can run this now. As you can see, this is my text file. So this is my text file. So this is the numbering for each. So for you can see that the first line, this the count is for 1 for this, and for this we have the count as 2. We have given count to each word in this each line of this document. So in this way we can open the file and read each line by line, and we can do different methodologies on the file. So this is the in-class programming for lesson 2. I have successfully completed all the in-class programming exercises for lesson 2.